Okay, so pause here, have a little go at it yourself. Okay, so how did you get on? We're going to remember that rule along the corridor up the stairs. If you have a look at this, you're absolutely right when you say, for example, we read left to right, and that should be then y, x, but it's in alphabetical order. So x first, then y, like this. Your x number will come, your x value will come first, and then your y. And remember, this line here, let me just write the word here. This line, this x line, and this y line, they're called axes. So the y axis and the x axis. And then, even though it looks like A, C, B, if the layout here for answering is ABC, just follow that so you don't get confused. Because if you put the wrong coordinate, if they're all accurate, but you put them in the wrong place, the examiner has a rubric. They must follow it. They cannot make any exceptions. What's on their answer paper must correspond to what they see on yours. And they're not going to spend too long because they're also being assessed to see if they are marking accurately. So we have to help them. So here we go. Along the corridor, up the stairs. That looks like 2, 2 to me. Making sure my commas are legible. And then I do it again. I go along the corridor to 15, all the way across here. So I went all the way across to 15, found B, went across here. Now that looks like 15 on the X axis. And then 2 on the Y. And then here's C, go along 8. No, you see that? When I thought it's 8, I'm just eyeballing it there. It's not hitting C. That's why using a ruler is so good. Let me try that again. Go along to C here, and I find 7, absolutely correct here. So that's why that ruler work is very important. And now we have 7, 8. I always like to double check, you know that. So what I'm going to do is here, 2, 2, yes. 15, 2, yeah. 7, 8, yes. This is the part they're going to be looking at. This is your working out part, unless it explicitly says, do not write all over the paper, then go ahead, ask your teacher. Always check with your teacher, what's the rules? They will have that instructional part where they read that with you. What can I annotate? What notes can I make? What markings can I make? That's very important.